Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello students, welcome to Accountancy online classes. In the previous class, I was explaining about the ratios and we have solved many problems on that is a new profit sharing ratio. Now, next part is sacrifice ratio. I have already explained what is sacrifice ratio. Let me remind you what it is again. That is the sacrifice made by the old partners towards new partner. When a new partner gets admitted into a firm, the constitution of the firm changes. When a new partner is admitted into a firm, the constitution or the structure or the profit sharing ratios of the partners will change, because the old partners have to sacrifice or give or surrender a part of their share towards new partner. So this totally changes the whole picture of the firm. Now, sacrifice ratio, it is the combination of, or it is the merger of the sacrifice made by the old partners. Let me put it in a different way. That is, suppose 3 chocolates are there on the table. There are suppose 2 students in the class. Then how we will distribute? Each one will get one and a half. A and B are there in the class. If I distribute 3 chocolates, I have to distribute one and a half each. In the meantime, one more person enters, Mrs. C enters. Then if I distribute, each one will get only 1 chocolates, not one and a half. That is half each, half chocolates each, that is given by the old partners towards new partner. That is A and B gave half chocolates each to the new partner Mrs. C. So when we add these 2 shares sacrificed by old partners surrendered by A and B towards C is nothing but sacrifice ratio. Now let us take up the problem. I will solve the problem now. Let me read out the problem, refer your question bank. Problem on sacrifice ratio, page number 33. I'll take a first problem now. Mohan and Madan are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3. They admit morally into partnership. The new profit sharing ratio is agreed at 7:4:3 respectively. Find out the sacrifice ratio of old partners. You know the formula. Let us remind the formula again. That is, when we solve the problem on new profit sharing ratio, new ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. In admission, always the old ratio remains greater than the new ratio, because new ratio comes only after surrendering a part from the old ratio. That is what the new ratio is. So new ratio always will be smaller than the old ratio in case of admission. It becomes reverse in case of retirement. I will take up when I take up the retirement chapter. So now let me take up this problem. Let us solve this. First write given. What is given in the problem? That is very important. Given. What is given? Mohan and Madan. Write like this so that you can easily solve the problem. Mohan and Madan. Old ratio of Mohan and Madan are given 4:3. Old ratio, right here, old ratio 4:3. Then what else is given? Who is the new partner? Murali is the new partner here. So Murali is the new partner here, and old ratio nil because he is a new partner, he is entering now. So old ratio of the partners already given 4:3. New profit sharing ratio is agreed at 7:4:3. 7:4:3. So 7 plus 4, 11 plus 3, that is the denominator. That is the denominator. 7:4:3. So 7 plus 4, 11 plus 3, 11 plus 3, 14. Yes. So that is the denominator, that is new ratio. You know the formula. What is required in the problem? They told us find out the sacrifice ratio of old partners. They told us to calculate the sacrifice ratio of the old partners. This is the given information in the problem. First you have to write like this, then only you have to proceed to solve the problem. Otherwise you will get confused. Remember. Now, you know the formula. Sacrifice ratio. Whatever is asked in the problem, remember, whatever is asked in the problem, take it first, then derive the formula. If they ask you to find out the new ratio, then take new ratio is equal to derive the formula. Now they asked us to find out the sacrifice ratio. So sacrifice ratio is equal to, remember, don't use short forms without writing the full forms of the, that is formula. Otherwise they may deduct marks in board exam. When your paper fetches 100, they may search for these things to give reason to deduct marks, and they may reduce it to 98 or 99. So don't give chance for them. Sacrifice ratio, write full, then assign the short form within bracket. SR is equal to, now you can use short form. You can write SR because you have already defined it. Is equal to old ratio or old share. You can write old ratio, write here OR. Now you can write OR minus new ratio. New ratio, I already told you, in case of admission, new ratio is always smaller than the old ratio. And I have gone through many answer papers. Even this time I went for evaluation. I saw there students, they will take new ratio first in case of admission. When the problem is regarding sacrifice ratio, they take new ratio first. They will write the smaller, that is fraction first, and straight away they will deduct. They will get negative figure. Even after that, they will not understand that it is wrong. When you get negative figure, when it is not possible to deduct, you should come to know that my formula is wrong. I have to rectify it. So immediately, that is a signal, warning signal for you that your formula is wrong. You are solving in a wrong way. Remember this. And new ratio, NR. Now substitute the figures. Therefore, old ratio of, now you can use OR, the sacrifice ratio, I'm sorry, sacrifice ratio, SR is equal to SR of the old partner. First one is Mohan, it is given here. Mohan is equal to his old ratio minus his sacrifice, sorry, is the new ratio, his new ratio. Substitute the figures. Old ratio is given in the problem. See here, old ratio of Mohan, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. That is the denominator. So 4 by 7 and 3 by 7 is their profit sharing ratios, old profit sharing ratios. 4 by 7 minus new ratio, it is given as 7:4:3. 7 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 14. So 7 by 14 is equal to, don't write here itself, is equal to, don't write here, because you will be given marks for the steps. For each step there will be marks. If you do the shortcut method, then they will go for shortcut method to give marks. They may give, instead of 6, they may give 5 or 4. So remember, don't skip the steps. So here 14 is the common denominator. Because both the numbers are, this number is divisible by both the denominators. 7 2s are 14, 14 1s are 14. So 14 1s are multiply numerator also by 1. and 7 2s are 14, multiply numerator also by 2. So 4 2s are 8 minus 7 1s are 7 is equal to, I will write here, you just continue there itself, is equal to 1 by 14. 1 by 14. So that is the sacrifice ratio of the first partner. Now, second partner, let me write here, you just proceed there itself. Sacrifice ratio of the second partner, Madan. Sacrifice ratio of Madan is equal to his old ratio minus his new ratio. His new ratio is equal to, old ratio is given in the problem 3 by 7 minus 4 by 14 is equal to take 14 as the common denominator like we did earlier. 14, 7 2s are 14, multiply the numerator also by 2, 14 1s are 14, so makes no difference even if it is not written. So 3 2s are 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 by 14, 2 by 14. You got the answer. That is 1 by 14 sacrifice made by the first partner, that is Mohan, is equal to 1 by 14, and sacrifice made by the second partner, that is Madan, is equal to 2 by 14. You got the answer, but don't stop here, you will lose 1 mark. You have to write the final answer. For writing final answer, there will be 1 mark. For formula, 1 mark. For solving the problem, rest of the 4 marks. So remember this. So don't skip the steps. Don't use shortcut method. Elaborate it properly, because they will ask this problem for 6 marks and it needs hardly 5 minutes of your valuable time. That's all. So don't skip the steps. So right here, therefore, sacrifice ratios of Mohan and Madan is equal to, Mohan is to Madan is equal to, you got the answer here, write it 1 by 14 and that is to 2 by 14, 2 by 14. Remember, sacrifice ratios should not be reduced to numbers. It should be written in fraction only, because if you reduce it to 1:2 if you write, then it is wrong. Remember friends, 1:2 if you write, it is wrong, because 1:2 means 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. So that will be wrong. You cannot make it as the whole, because it is a fraction, surrender, part of the share surrendered by them. So keep it up to here and write the answer. That's all. This is the final answer. Don't write again is equal to 1:2. Students have the habit of writing this. Don't write that. That is not the way of, that is because it's a wrong answer. It will be a wrong answer. So this is what the first problem is. Then I will solve second problem also similar to this. So I will not elaborate here. I will just tell you how to solve it. Let me read the problem for you. Then we will analyze it. In the meantime, let us analyze. Dinesh and Mahesh. Second problem, same page number 33 of your question bank. Dinesh and Mahesh are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Ramesh into business, and the new ratio was agreed to be 5:4:3. Calculate the sacrifice ratio. I will do changes here itself. Just make a note of it. Given old partners and new partner. Old partners Dinesh and Mahesh. Then the new partner's name is Ramesh. See, the old ratio given in the problem is 3:2. 3:2. Then new partners old ratios will not be there, because he is just admitting into the firm. So there will not be old ratio for the new partner. Then new profit sharing ratios of all the partners given in the problem. 5:4:3 new ratio. 5 is to 4 is to 3. 4 is to 3. Now, the same question, calculate sacrifice ratios of old partners. Remember, there will not be sacrifice ratio for the new partner. He is not sacrificing, he is receiving, he is gaining the share of old partners. Students will write, after getting this answer, they will write sacrifice ratios of Mohan, Madan and the new partner, they will write. And they will give 1 by 14 is to 2 by 14 and they will write the new ratio of the new partner. So don't write, because new partner will not have sacrifice ratio. He is not going to surrender anything. Only old partners will surrender their part of their share towards a new partner. So be careful in the examination. So here let us solve the problem. Same formula, sacrifice ratio SR is equal to old ratio OR minus new ratio NR. Cultivate the habit of writing this formula in full and short forms within bracket in the class itself, so that in board exam you will not forget to write it. So practice makes a man perfect. So cultivate the habit, write debit, credit, everything, amount in rupees. These things you should practice from the class itself, so that you will not suffer in the board exam. Otherwise, for these reasons, they may reduce your 100 to 97 or 96. So remember this. So sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio, written. Now SR of the first partner, Dinesh. His old ratio minus his new ratio. Same formula again. His old ratio minus his new ratio. Now let us substitute the figures here. Let us substitute the figures. That is old ratio 3 plus 2, 5, that is the denominator. 3 by 5 and 2 by 5 is the old ratio, remember. So 3 by 5 minus new ratio, 5 is to 4 is to 3. So 5 plus 4 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12. 5 by 12, 4 by 12 and 3 by 12 is the new ratio. So 5 by 12. 5 by 12. How to take the common denominator now? Very simple. Multiply the denominators and write the common denominator. That itself will be the common denominator. Then cross multiplication. So 60, I will take common denominator as 60, which is divisible by both the numbers. 5, how much is 60? 12. That is, see, cross multiplication here. This will be here and this will be here. So 5 12 is 60 into 12 here, 12 5 is 60. 12 5 is 60. Cross multiply, I mean you should multiply this numerator with this denominator and you should multiply this numerator with this denominator. That is what you have to do. When you multiply the denominators together and when you take the common denominator, do cross multiplication. That's the only thing. Keep it in your mind. Yes. Now 12 3 is 36 minus 5 5 is 25. Deduct and write the figure. That will be your final answer. I will write here only. That is 11 by 60. 11 by 60 is the sacrifice made by Dinesh. Now let us move on to the second partner, that is Mahesh. Same thing, is equal to his old ratio minus his new ratio. Given in the problem, let us substitute the figures here and let us write the final answers. So his old ratio Mahesh 2 by 5 minus new ratio 4 by written here 12, 4 by 12. So here also it will be 60 is the common denominator, 12 5 is 60. 12 5 is 60. Multiply this by 12, that is cross multiplication. Multiply this by this denominator cross multiplication. So 2 12s are 24 minus 4 5s are 20 is equal to 4 by 60. 4 by 60. 4 by 60. So final answer will be, therefore sacrifice ratios of Dinesh is to Mahesh. Dinesh is to Mahesh is equal to write the answer, that is 11 by 60 is to 4 by 60. This is the final answer. Therefore, you must write this sentence. If you miss this sentence, you will lose 1 mark. Remember. So, the sacrifice ratios of Dinesh and Mahesh is 11 by 60 is to 4 by 60. Don't write 11 is to 4. Don't write it. New ratio you can write. Old ratio you can write. But in sacrifice and gain ratio, don't reduce it to the number. Write it in fraction only. Clear? So, that is what the second problem is. Now, remaining 3 problems, that is third, fourth and fifth. Fifth is not alike, third and fourth is alike. Similar problems. It's waste of our time if we take up those problems again. So, take it as your homework. Take it for your homework. I'll take up the next problem, that is problem number 5, x and y.